Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with DevOps Engineer. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to automate the deployment of a Docker container locally using Terraform. We will go through this in 5 simple steps, from writing the Terraform configuration to spinning up your Docker container and verifying the results. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you will be able to deploy any Docker container on your machine, all using code. Here's the problem. Managing infrastructure manually is time consuming and error prone. Imagine having to download images, configure containers, and manage different versions by hand each time. It's a hassle, especially when you need to replicate this setup on multiple machines. That's where Terraform comes in. By writing infrastructure as code, you can automate all these steps. No more manual configuration. With Terraform, you can create, modify, and manage Docker containers effortlessly with just a few commands. Today, I'll show you how. Here's what we will cover in today's tutorial: setting up Terraform, writing the Terraform configuration to pull a Docker image, initializing Terraform to get everything ready, deploying the Docker container using Terraform, verifying the container, and cleaning up the resources. Ready? Let's jump into step 1. In this main.terraform file, we will define providers and resources as you can see on my screen. So required providers, Docker, source is this particular path, and the version is like 3.0.2. Followed by, we are going to create a resource with Docker image name, and the name would be nginx colon latest. So it will try to pull the latest nginx image from the Docker hub. Followed by, we are going to create another resource, Docker container, where we are going to use this particular image, and the name would be, let's say, Docker container. Followed by, we are going to externally allow 8080 port. So once this configuration file is like ready, now I'm going to run Terraform init. Terraform init. So it will initialize the backend. It will try to initialize the provider plugin, as you can see on my screen. It has successfully initialized. So now I'm going to clear the screen and will run Terraform apply. So Terraform apply is, let's say, trying to add two resources. One is like the container and the second one is like the image. So I'm going to say yes, please do that. So once that's done, we are ready to deploy. Terraform will handle everything for us, pulling the image and starting the container. Okay, as you can see on my screen, it successfully completed two added resources, zero change, zero destroy. So now what I will do is like I will try to run docker ps command to see if the container is like running. Yes, it is like running. And also I will go to the Docker desktop and see if it is like running. Yeah, I can see the container is like successfully running. As you can see, port 8080, 24 seconds ago it started. Now I will go to the browser and check localhost 8080. Welcome to nginx. So as you can see on my screen, that's it. We have successfully deployed a Docker container locally using Terraform in just a few minutes. Now, as we have deployed, I am going to destroy the resources. Terraform destroy. So let me show you first. Docker ps So Nginx container is like running. So I'm going to destroy that now. Terraform space destroy. So it will destroy all the resources automatically, which we created using Terraform. So say yes. So destroy complete. So to destroyed. So I'm going to run docker ps, and then I'm going. Another thing I would like to mention here. So if you look at the icon here and go to the Docker, there's like an option here. Previously, I was using Windows containers. I switched to Linux containers. Currently, I'm on Linux containers. So if you are using the Windows containers, please switch it to Linux containers and try to do this demo. To recap, we started by setting up Terraform and Docker, wrote a simple configuration file, initialized our environment, deployed an Nginx container, and verified the results. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to automate next. Thank you.